Good morning, class. In today's class, we will be doing recapitulation of nouns possession. Now, in possessive nouns chapter, we have already covered about what are these. Now, a quick recap and revision of that. Now, what are possessives? Possessive shows ownership. Ownership means belongingness. अगर आपके पास कोई चीज़ है देन यू आर द ओनर ऑफ इट बिकॉज यू हैव अ सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी you will take care of that thing, so you are the owner and you show ownership. They show something belongs to someone or something. In other words, they possess something. So possessive nouns, it clearly indicates that something is belonging to someone or something. कोई चीज़ किसी की है या किसी के पास है. For example, if we want to show that a file belongs to the girl, how you will write it? The girl's file. File is a thing and who is the owner of it? Girl. So to state it, we can write the girl's file. So in girls, we are using apostrophe S. Now, if we talk about the symbol of apostrophe, in the picture, you can see that there is some comma at the top followed by S. Now, that comma actually is the symbol of apostrophe when we put it above. Rules to make possessives. First rule that we learnt was that to form the possessive of a singular noun, add an apostrophe and s. So singular noun means we are just talking about single thing. हम एक वचन की बात करते हैं. So अगर कोई भी noun singular है, then in that case, if you want to convert it into apostrophe, the simple rule is put the apostrophe symbol at the last and followed by s, like balls, papers, cakes, rings. Rule 2 was that to form the possessive of a plural noun ending in s, add only an apostrophe. So there are plural nouns, that is, which talk about more than one, bahuvachan. Now in plurals also there are two categories. Some plurals are ending with s, some plurals are not ending with s. So if a plural is ending in s, uska last letter s hai, then in that case, what are you supposed to do? You will just put apostrophe at the end. It will not take s after apostrophe. दो s नहीं लगेंगे. एक s अगर है word के end में plural noun के, you will just put apostrophe. Like if plural of ball is balls, it is ending with s, you will only put apostrophe at the end. Like papers, plural will be apostrophe will be papers. Similarly, cakes, rings. So you are just putting an apostrophe. In rule 3, to form the possessive of a plural noun that does not end in s, add an apostrophe and s. So, agar plural noun hai, but it is not ending with s, what are you supposed to do? You will, just like in rule 1 you were putting apostrophe and s, same thing you will do. You will put apostrophe and s. Like mouse is singular, but mice is plural. Now, this mice plural is not ending with s, so we are putting apostrophe and s. Men is plural, so we are putting apostrophe and s. Similarly, louse is singular, lice is plural, so we are putting apostrophe and s, and same thing goes for teeth. So we are putting apostrophe and s to make it into possessive noun. Now, for the non-living things, we generally do not use possessive noun. That is the rule 4. Example, the walls of the room. Now, walls belong to the room, but room and wall both are non-living. So, we will not write room's wall. So, you can see that if you are writing room's wall, it will be wrong. So, what is the correct way of writing? The walls of the room. Same way, handle of the door. Handle and door both are non-living. So, we are not going to write the door's handle. That will be wrong. What will be the right? The handle of the door. So there are three rules. First is for the singular nouns, you are just putting apostrophe and s. Plural nouns ending in s, only apostrophe. Plural nouns that do not end with s, apostrophe and s. And for non-living, there will be no change. Thank you.